In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo verification taking too long. So it's actually necessary to verify your identity on Venmo since they have a KYC or know your customer that actually prompts them to know you and where your funds are going or coming from. So verifying your identity allows you to make payments using the money on your Venmo account and enable to send and transfer greater amounts of money on Venmo. So to verify your identity, go over to the Me tab, tap on the settings gear on the top right, and tap on identity verification. Now, as you can see, that typically the identity verification process only takes a few minutes. Sometimes the automated ID verification process doesn't work because the information is unavailable on your name or address has changed. So this may be the reason why your verification is taking too long. So for that, they will ask you to send documentation in the app that confirms your identity, so you just need to provide that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.